Hello, how are you? Welcome to our channel. I am your trainer, Parveen. If you are an English speaker and want to learn Hindi, then this channel is for you. In this channel we will teach you Hindi. Firstly, we will recap previous lecture important slide. In this slide we will see how consonant K will produce sound with vowels and how will we write it. K, Ka, Ki, Ku, Ke, Kai, Ko, Kang, Kah. Now we will discuss some important things. We will discuss is, am and are meanings in Hindi language. Meaning of is hai. Formation is ha plus hai equal to hai. The meaning of am is hu. Formation is ha plus o plus n equal to hu. The meaning of are is hai. Formation is ha plus a plus n equal to hai. But keep in mind, both these written as n, but in pronunciation they sound aha. Like this word is pronounced as hai. In this lecture we will learn about the following words so that we can use it as noun and pronoun. Let us start. I mean, मैं, in Hindi language. We, हम, you, तुम, he, वह. It is used for male. She, वह. It is used for female. That means also वह, they, वे, this, यह, it, यह, these, ये. Congrats! Now we are going to discuss some basic sentences with English translation. मैं फहद हूँ. I am Fahad. हम वर्कर हैं. We are workers. आप स्टूडेंट हैं. You are student. आप स्टूडेंट्स हैं. You are students. वह सीधा है, male. He is gentle. वह सीधी है, female. She is gentle. वे सब डॉक्टर हैं. They all are doctors. Now we will learn some important concepts used in Hindi language. If we say, he's a good boy, here it is about male, so meaning of good is अच्छा. If we say, she's a good girl, this is for female, so meaning of good is अच्छी. So in Hindi language sometimes adjectives are changed in this way. A for male and E for female. Now let us see some important word and try to notice changes in male and female versions. The meaning of good is अच्छा for male but meaning for female is अच्छी. Similarly the meaning of bad is ganda for male but meaning for female is gandi. But this rule is not applied everywhere. Please observe this example. Brilliant. Meaning is तेज for both and female similarly. Great. Meaning is mahan for both and female. In the next lecture we will discuss more interesting things of Hindi language. Please like, share and subscribe this video.